blinking. I'm going to assume it's recording. Say hello, Kathy.
Hello, Kathy.
Well, I'm here with Kathy. This is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. And I just had fun on the sidewalk up the street where I live. I tripped in one of these cracks in the street and went flying off the curb into the street, and I am sore. So Kathy came over to see if I was all right from last night with my wonderful concussion. It ain't safe to leave the house, I think. And here you see the sky. We're at Amtrak. She's going to go home. We haven't seen each other for, what, a month or more? And here's her bus coming.
Yeah.
So, all right. Say goodbye, Kathy.
Kathy.
Anyway, I've missed her. I'll have her. We go out after next week. We will talk on the video.
Look, I'm red, white, and blue.
Yeah, hold on. Show your bag real quick. Here's her new bag. Her new Pokemon bag. All right. Bye, Kathy.
Bye.
I'll catch you next time. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. And there goes Kathy on the bus. Call me tonight when you get home.
Yeah.
All right. Bye.